Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today we are going to introduce to you and also show you how to mount our all-new rackless mounting system for the Surron here, specifically the Ultra Bee. So for the first step here, we are going to mount our front mounting plates here, which again will allow you to mount the Ranger Wilds 3 or 6-liter bags right here on the front of the motorcycle. First, we're going to do a little bit of assembling here on the table before we go ahead and put it on the bike. So to do that, we're going to take this little L-shaped bracket here, and you'll notice on one side there are threads. So we're going to take that threaded side here, and we're going to place it flush with the plate here, like so, on the middle hole here. And then we're going to take one of these short flathead screws here, flip it over, and start to screw it in. Next, we're going to take this longer 3-segmented bracket here that also has threads on one end, and we're going to mount or line up the threaded end with the rightmost hole on the side bracket, like so. And then repeat the same process where we take our short flat-headed screw here and screw it in. Important to note that we're not going to tighten it all the way until we have that actually mounted on the bike itself. Now that we have both of our angled brackets mounted on the side plate here, we're going to go ahead and take our long screw here with the rounded head, feed it through like so, and then slip on our bushing like so. And then we're going to come over here to our Surron, and this longest screw up here we're going to thread right into this screw hole here. And again, at the top here, we're not going to tighten it all the way just yet because we still have to line up these two brackets here on the bottom. So now we're going to take and line up the two bottom brackets with the holes here. Now to mount the two bottom screws here, we are going to take this tiny little bushing here and first put it directly right there on the radiator mount. And we're going to line up our mount over it. And we're going to slip this screw in, and first we're going to thread it in by hand so as to not cross thread it. And again, we're not going to tighten it all the way because we've still got to line up this top one here. So we're going to repeat the same process again, bushing first. Okay, once we have that bushing lined up, we're going to then feed our screw through and first tighten it by hand. And there we go. Now that we have all three properly threaded in, we can go ahead and take our little bit here and thread it in the rest of the way. Now once we have the three mounting screws installed and properly tightened, give that one another, there we go, properly tightened, then we can go ahead and fully tighten our screws that are embedded in the base plate itself. Okay, it looks like those are already pretty tight. And there we go. Now we've got a mounting place here on the front for our Ranger Wilds smaller bags, for example, the RW3 or the RW6s. However, there is one additional step we need to do before we can actually mount the bags, and that is to install this strap here. So to do that, we're going to take this buckle here and we're going to feed it through the top right-hand corner of the frame. And we do that so that we have enough space to get it between the frame and the battery behind it. It's important to note that when we're feeding the hook through, we want to have it so that this eyelet here, this strap eyelet here, is on the outer part of the frame because we're going to use this later as an additional mounting point. And then we're going to come down here on the bottom and we're going to repeat the same process. like so. So then we've got a loop here on the top part of the frame and a loop here on the middle part of the frame here. So now we're going to take our RW3, Ranger Wild's 3-liter bag, and we say we have these 4 straps with an eyelet on the end, and we're going to take them, and for the right side, we're going to slip them through these slots here, and then slip our hook through the eyelet. And then on the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Feed the strap with the eyelet through, and slip our hook through. And now for here on the back side, we're going to take our left-hand side strap with eyelet and slip it through the eyelet on that mounting strap. And then we're going to take our hook and hook it through. And then for the bottom, we're going to repeat the same process. You might have to loosen this a little bit, but that's okay. We can tighten it later. So we take our strap, feed it through the eyelet. You might have to unbuckle it actually, but that's okay. We can rehook it there, and then once we slip our final hook through, we have our RW3, our Ranger Wild's 3-liter bag, successfully mounted on the front here. And then we can go ahead with pulling on these straps on the top and bottom to tighten up and get rid of any slack that may be left in the straps. There we go, voila.